Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. It has been a week since I've made a video. Missed you guys. The Grammys are on tonight, I think. I think they're on now, actually. Now in New York City, yes. And I'm super excited because I am Cardi B obsessed. I think she is so awesome and she's so epic. She's just like so real. My husband hates that because I always walk around saying, oh, the shmoney. I think she's token and she's just so, in Australia we'd call it true blue. She doesn't sort of mess around. Love Cardi B. Hope she wins an award. I'm here today with an unboxing. This is a CELINE unboxing. Take 2. The title of this video is kind of the main, I guess, sentence that I took away from the conversation that I had with the manager who contacted me from Oticam Net. I want to say it right. I'm not quite sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Oticam Net. If you follow my channel, I did a video of a few different topics in that video, but most part I really showed you footage of the original unboxing from this company on a pair of CELINE thin shadow sunglasses. It didn't go so well because the way I felt when I unboxed it was that I was a little unsure of its authenticity. In no way, shape or form, and you can go back and watch it and credit exactly what I say, and hand on heart, I do by no means call the item fake. I don't even say the company's name on the video. I just showed you my reaction to it and the fact that I did then return the pair of sunglasses. It wasn't the greatest encounter. I'm honest about it. I'm honest. After that video posted, about 2 months went past. I got contacted by the manager of this company and we had a great chat. We went back and forth and just had a really good chat. They made me feel incredibly comfortable and they were incredibly apologetic about, I guess, just the way my purchasing and customer experience had been handled. And that's really all it was, you know. And they sort of, they mentioned, they're like, that video has, a lot of people have written in about that video, and we want to make sure Jerusha, that our items are 100% authentic. She went through the entire rundown of the manufacturing. They're now parts of sunglass brands, designers and collections are now owned by LVMH, and that's really, that's great. They harbor a lot of other designer items and brands, such as things to do with sunglasses and maybe watches or stuff like that, in their factories. So it's almost like they're subcontractors. And she was explaining it to me and I just felt really impressed that she took the time to contact me and have good customer, service and management, and just make someone feel like, look, you know what? We are authentic. We pride ourselves on being authentic. I reinstated that I never for once called them fake. I didn't feel good about the situation, and you guys could see that in my eyes. So anyway, this is an unboxing video because this landed on my doorstep this morning, and it is a new pair of CELINE sunglasses. Here we go. This is in their box, which is quite different packaged to the first video. We've got a lot of shredded paper. Company, geez, I hope I'm saying it right. Oticanet.com. They are uber famous. Like, they come up straight away when you Google an item such as this, and they come up straight away. So this is what's down inside the box, and here we go. Very nice. So here is the CELINE dust pouch. again like I received it. So there is the CELINE dust cloth. And the first time, you know, I was saying that the pouch felt a little rubbery and squeaky. This one is a little less, I guess, a little bit. No, yeah, it's not as puffy and squeaky, but I am assured of the item. And the sunglasses that I chose off the website from their CELINE collection. What do you think I chose? I chose, bam! I have arrived! I chose the CELINE TrackTitle square saris. TrackTitle? Is that how I say it? TrackTitle. Ooh, girl, bam! They are really nice. This was a toss-up between these and my Gucci squares that I got in California. But I just knew that I really wanted to get my hands on these because, look, I love CELINE, and for big, large, black shades, they do them so well. So here they are up close. They are just large squares. We've got the CELINE studding in the corners. And then these are the arms, which have, again, the CELINE studding in the corners. And on the arms has the all of the coating. But yeah, there we go. These are my CELINEs. Let me show them next to my Gucci's that I did get. So these are the Gucci's. I just showed you my favorites. These are so comfortable though, really, really comfy. They're not like, you know, too heavy weighted, which is really nice. So these are the Gucci's up next to them, sort of holding them side by side. If I go ahead and show them side by side like that, look, they're really comparable. Like, literally look very, very similar. Obviously the Gucci's are a little rounder, and the CELINE's actual inside lens is squarer. And then the back arms are really similar, but you've obviously got the detail on the Gucci with the GG and the stars. Let me show you the Gucci's on, like I showed you my favorites. So yeah, a little rounder, a little bit, I feel like they're a little bit more cat eye. And these are definitely deeper, so they're lower on the cheek and a lot, yeah, a bit more boxier. But I love that. I love me a black sunnies. I love big black sunnies. It's my total go-to. All right, well, I'm really happy about that. I'm really glad that I turned around and redeemed the situation. I guess, I think if something comes full circle, it's a really nice feeling as well. I think every time I thought about those thin shadows by CELINE, I didn't have a nice feeling about it after that incident. And it's nice to be able to redeem the situation and make you sort of feel good again about an item, whatever it may be, however it may happen. You might have sort of, you know, a negative run-in with an essay, and it's just, it puts you off, you know, or not a very nice dealing, and you're just sort of like, yeah, you don't deserve my money. But it's nice when it comes full circle. So thank you so much to the managers at otcannet.com. Thank you so much for reaching out to me, guys. I'm so glad I could turn around and purchase these off you guys to show my appreciation, because that is exactly what I did, and they are fantastic. Again, I will link them below, and yeah, go check out their website. But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this quick unboxing from CELINE. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below with a bell next to it. If you hit that bell, you will get notifications of all my new videos. I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Peace.